A lot goes into a live stream, but none of it happens without a reliable internet connection.
Welcome to Mile of Music. We're just getting some equipment up and running back here. 1 second, don't go away.
Live streaming music is really different. It's very creative, but also if you really want to have a great live stream, you need incredible internet. You need internet that doesn't stop. Ever.
Thanks to our partners with Cellcom and LiveX. This is the first time in Mile of Music history, folks, that we are live.
When Mile of Music came to us, we needed to provide reliable internet. Ideally, we would bring in fiber, but we didn't have time to build that, so we brought in something unique. So we partnered with Transcelestial to deploy a laser from the top of 222 building down to Jones Park. The result, a fast, reliable internet connection, more than enough to power the live stream. Did it work? Oh yeah.
It is mile 13 and we are live!